Kazukee is a system to help learn and practice numeracy through games and activities. We've designed a system of games and activities to take the learner from reception to year 6. The games are all based around ordering, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Many parents read to their children regularly to improve literacy. The idea behind Kazukee is to play our games and activities regularly to improve their numeracy. Kazukee is designed for the learner to improve their numeracy through having fun and to foster a love of mathematics. The pack contains a deck of Kazukee's unique cards, 5 coloured 6-sided dice and 2 12-sided dice. Number tracks, which are numbered from 1 to 10 and 1 to 20, and on the other side, number lines from 0 to 20, 0 to 100, and -12 to +12. 100 square, and on the other side, a multiplication square. A quick start guide with 4 games in it to get you started. A guide to practicing and learning times tables, including the 9 times tables finger trick. A wallet to keep everything in. More games are being released online on our webpage and our social media. The cards are numbered from 0 to 20 in 2 colours and 0 to 12 in the third. They're designed around the 5-finger counting system. A 7 is a 5 and a 2 using the thumb as 1. 18 is 5 and 5 making 10 and a 5 making 15, 16, 17, 18.